Okay, welcome to Shikara Academy. Day 26, subject geography. Topic: geographical extent of Hyderabad state and present Telangana state physical setting. Okay, geographical extent of Hyderabad state and present Telangana state physical setting. Telangana state physical setting. See the question. Discuss the significance. He is asking about the significance. Discuss the significance of తెలంగాణ ఫిజియోగ్రఫీ. తెలంగాణ ఫిజియోగ్రఫీ యొక్క ప్రాముఖ్యత గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలట. తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఎక్కడుంది? తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఇన్ సౌత్ ఇండియా. ద తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఇన్ ద సౌత్ ఇండియా characterized by diverse physiographic features and that contribute to its unique landscape. It is characterized by diverse physiographic features. ఈ తెలంగాణలో వివిధమైన ఫిజియోగ్రఫిక్ ఫీచర్స్ ఉన్నాయట, వివిధమైన నిమ్నోన్నతలు ఉన్నాయట అండి. హియర్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రామినెంట్ physiographic features are Telangana plateau, Godavari basin and Krishna pediment. Okay, the important physiographic features are in India, not India. The important physiographic features in the Telangana are Telangana plateau, Godavari basin and Krishna pediment. See the first one. The first one is Telangana plateau. This Telangana plateau is important. This is the Telangana plateau is largest physiographic unit of Telangana. Which is the largest physiographic unit of Telangana? The Telangana plateau considered as largest physiographic unit of Telangana. And this Telangana plateau is made up of with Archean and Gneisses rocks. This Telangana plateau is made up of with two types of rocks. The first one is Archean rocks, other one is Gneisses rocks. Telangana plateau is made up of with two types of rocks. The first one is Archean rock, other one is Gneisses rocks. This particular Telangana plateau extended into the districts of Adilabad, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Medak, Hyderabad regions. These are the erstwhile districts of Telangana. This Telangana plateau extended into the districts of Adilabad, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Medak and Hyderabad regions. The average elevation of this Telangana plateau is 500 to 600 meters above the mean sea level. This Telangana plateau lying 500 to 600 meters above the mean sea level. Okay, and the important minor physiographic feature within the Telangana plateau is Bison Gorge. The important minor physiographic feature within the Telangana plateau is Bison Gorge. This Bison Gorge located in Bhadradri Kottagudem district. It is located in Bhadradri Kottagudem district within the Eastern Ghats. This is the Telangana plateau. The second one is Godavari basin. This Godavari basin mainly occupied Gondwana trough. Okay, this Godavari basin is present in Gondwana trough. This Gondwana trough is known for its mineral wealth. Gondwana trough is famous for mineral wealth. Okay, within the Godavari basin we will find the availability of the coal. Within the Singareni mines we will find the abundance of the coal. Where is these Singareni mines are there? These Singareni mines are located in Godavari basin. Okay, within the Godavari basin we will find Carboniferous rocks. we will find Carboniferous rocks. Within this Godavari basin, we will find Carboniferous rocks as well as Archean rocks. This Godavari basin extended into the districts of Nizamabad, Adilabad, Jagityal, Manchiryal, Peddapalli, Bhupalpalli, Kottagudem and Komaram Bhim Asifabad. Komaram Bhim Asifabad. The last one is Krishna pediment. The last major physiographic feature in the Telangana state is Krishna pediment. This region spreads in the districts of Nalgonda and Mahbubnagar district. Nalgonda and Mahbubnagar district. And this is the smallest region. This is the smallest region in the state of Telangana. This is the smallest physiographic feature within the Krishna pediment. The river Krishna flows along the southern border of the district, and this area is having some undulating terrains. This area is having some undulating terrains, and this region is made up of with Archean rock and Precambrian rock. Archean rock and Precambrian rock. Okay, and the soils in the Krishna pediment is useful for or suitable for cultivation. Okay, this is about the Krishna pediment. And whenever we are seeing the significance of Telangana physiography, the first significance is the Telangana physiography is having the some economic importance. This Telangana physiography is having some economic importance. How this the economic importance, like the Telangana physiography influences its economy. The Telangana physiography influences economy, such as the landforms, whatever the landforms which are there in the Telangana state provide fertile ground for agriculture, and it is supported by the rivers. Whenever the rivers are flowing, we will find the availability of the more water. Whenever the more water is available, this water is useful for irrigation. It means it is the diverse landforms provide fertile ground for agriculture and also supported by the rivers like Godavari, Krishna. And these Godavari and Krishna rivers are useful for or crucial for irrigation. The second one is environmental significance. Okay, whenever we are seeing the economic environmental significance, it determines the climatic patterns and biodiversity hotspots. Okay, within this Telangana physiography, we will find the different climatic patterns as well as biodiversity hotspots as well as ecosystem distribution. Along with that one, we will find the hills, forests and wetlands, and all these are vital for all these environmental patterns are useful for nothing but this climate, biodiversity and hills, forest is playing a major role in conservation efforts and mitigating the environmental degradation. The last one is cultural and historical significance. The Telangana physiography shaped human settlement patterns as well as trade routes and architectural styles. Within the Telangana, we will find the human settlements as well as trade routes as well as architectural styles. These architectural styles are there from over the centuries, from past the centuries. The rivers and hills hold the religious significance. Such as, for example, Bhadrachalam. Bhadrachalam is a religiously significant area. Okay, and also reflecting the local traditions and folk, and also It understanding the physiography aids preserving the cultural heritage sites as well as promoting tourism and fostering the sense of identity. Okay, thank you.